Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, this is going to be a quick video because I am testing a new mascara at the drugstore. I just tested the new Maybelline Total Temptation Brow, which I really liked. And about 3 days after I bought that, I found this at the drugstore. It's finally arrived. So let's just get into the video. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing and we're going to apply and try. This is the new Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I got the shade Blackest Black. This mascara gives you full and fluffy lashes, bold volume, and it also lengthens the lashes. And yeah, it's rated 4 stars. Why would they put that on there? Why would they say it's like 5 stars? It says 4 stars. It says rated 4 stars. I want a 5-star mascara, not a 4-star. So basically this says that your lashes are full, soft, and fluffy, so it sounds like they're not going to be brittle. And it also says it's buildable, which I really do like in a mascara. I like a mascara that I can build. And it's a creamy whipped formula, and it also is infused with coconut, so it does have like a, it's supposed to have more of a nice coconut smell instead of like the chemical mascara smell. And it says it removes easily. I did not get the waterproof formula. This one contains beeswax and castor oil. There's also different fruit extracts in it, and I find it's kind of interesting how it does contain castor oil because castor oil is supposed to help grow your eyelashes. So that is a plus. I'm down for anything that will help my eyelashes grow. So here's the packaging on the mascara. I think it's really nice. I like the peach. I think it looks sleek. Again, it's very millennial, like the brow. So then you open it up and the brush is basically a standard brush. It is more on the larger side of a brush, and it does have that, it's not like a tropical smell, but it's also, I do get the coconut smell, but it's not like tropical. It's not overpowering to the point where you're probably gonna have, you know, allergic reaction. So that's good. I'm going to curl my eyelashes just because that is what I always do. All right, I'm ready. I'm mascara ready. So here we go. So the formula is more on the wet side. It's giving me more, I want to say, length right now than volume, but my lashes are definitely separated. I wish I wasn't wearing such heavy eyeliner because it's kind of hard to tell. And I actually like how, I like how the brush is not round all the way around. This part here is flat, and it actually gives you a really nice grip on the product instead of holding something round. The flat piece gives you a really nice grip, so that is good. Yeah, so far, it's definitely lengthening and separating my lashes. Lashes to begin with are definitely a nice length. I don't have like crazy long eyelashes, but I don't have short ones either. Okay, so let's do another coat, see how this builds. So this mascara builds super nice, like it is really full. I'm really liking it. This just built up so perfectly and beautifully. There's no flaking, first of all. My lashes are really full, they're long, and they're separated. I do think, though, this is a better mascara if you're looking for length and separation. It's not so much extra volume. The formula, though, is very buildable. It does not get crunchy and flaky, so that's awesome. Now, let's try some on the bottom lashes, and then we'll just call it a day. I'm not used to such a big brush on the bottom lashes. I usually use something a little bit tinier. Problem is, because this is more of a wet formula and my eyelashes are longer, it just smudged, which is a nightmare to get off now. Ooh. So I'm gonna let it dry for a second and try to flick that off. Okay, good news. It came off pretty easy. I really do swear by these charcoal swabs. I know some people are like, oh, they're just Q-tips, but I feel like they're not. I don't know what it is about them, but there's something in, I think, the charcoal tip that really just like removes without making a huge mess. Obviously now it's not like perfect, but it's better than what it was. So this is the mascara. I applied a couple coats. I think that the lashes definitely are not crunchy. They are very pliable. It's not dry yet though. It's not one of those mascaras that dries right away. It's still transferring on my finger. It is not dry yet. I like more mascaras that are like pretty much dry instantly. I find it's less mess, but this one it is drying. It's just taking a little bit longer. But I do think that this mascara is better for length and separation rather than like full-blown dramatic volume and length. So it does more of the length and separation. Okay, so this will be the end of my review. I do like this. I think that it is a good mascara. I think though the formula is, for me, I don't like an overly wet formula. It's more of a wet formula. So if you do like more of that wet formula, you will like this. I also think it's great for lengthening and separating and it doesn't give you crazy volume. The smell is very pleasant. It's not bothering my eyes. It actually, to me, is a lot better than having like a pure chemical smell. It's not like a beach though. You know, don't like expect to buy this and think it smells like the tropics. It definitely doesn't. Has a slight coconut smell with like a regular mascara smell mixed together. I do think the packaging though, unfortunately, it's beautiful. The packaging material just picks up all the little particles and dirt, and like mine's already stained and I just started using it. So it's probably gonna be very, very messy as you start to use it. And for me, like for my bottom lashes, it's not a mascara that I would go for. I like bottom lash mascaras. I like them to be thinner and I like them to dry pretty much instantly just because my lashes on the bottom are longer and I do have a problem with it smudging underneath. Wear this throughout the night. I'll let you know if I have any problems with it, if it flakes or if it does smudge and transfer, because sometimes I do find that some mascaras do leave weird transferring marks throughout the night for me. So I'll let you know about that. But overall, I do think it's a great mascara. It's definitely not I don't think it's my favorite Maybelline mascara. It is good though. But not my absolute favorite. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.